Welcome to another brew video. Not a brew video, it is a follow-through of a beer and a tasting of a beer. This beer is a saison, a little on the hoppy side. I'll put the brew date in the description below so you guys can see that. We fermented in this. I'm going to transfer now to two 1 gallon jugs. 1 gallon jugs. Gonna get this. This is a slurry of the WLP 648 Brettanomyces Brexlensis Troy Bray. The other one's gonna get this. This is a sidra. Sidra Natural. Astarbe, I think it's how you say this one. You see all the dregs at the bottom there floating around? I'm not gonna use that today because I'm gonna drink it tomorrow with Sarah. She's at work right now. So today though, one jug's gonna get this slurry. So first, when I looked on how to transfer beer from this catalyst fermenter, from what I could tell, it sucked in a bunch of oxygen, opening up the bottom to get the yeast out. People were commenting on the brew video for this that I probably should just kept this on and opened it up from the beginning. But I might need 1 or 2 pull-offs for this. I'm gonna get an extra jar just in case I need it. I think I'm gonna need 2 jars. Sanitized. Now, I have a CO2 tank here. Open this puppy up just to airlock off. Sort of press that on there as much as I can. I'm filling the headspace with CO2 first. Alright, I'm gonna do 1 click to open this up. Alright, let's try 2 clicks. See, there are bubbles. I was so afraid of that. Oh, this is Slopfest 2000. Woo! Alright, I got the big jar on now. Alright, got 5 PSI going. Just 1 click down right now. I want to get to about 2 gallons here. And I'll probably call it there. Okay, I think that's good enough. So I lost about 0.3 gallons doing this. Alright, I got my sanitized 1 gallon jugs here. Alright, after the same thing this time again. Put that in there. Turn that on. Open this up. So it's only 1 click to open right now, and that comes out fast. Now, I don't think this is fully done fermenting, just for the record, but I want to get it off this, because this headspace was so large, I was afraid of oxygen to pick up. It's okay, Brettanomyces and all the stuff I'm putting in afterwards should clean in any unfermentative stuff up. Alright, that's 1 gallon. Gallon number 2. Turn this on again. 1 click, just all I did again, 1 click. You take a look how fast it goes out. These look fairly clear, not bad. By clear, I mean like not that much sediment from this. Now this is pretty old, so I'm gonna try and get it from the bottom as much as I can. Brett is a hardy strain. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna pitch the other one with the sidra dregs, and yeah, go from there. Looks like 1.005 or 4. I didn't see much activity though. I don't know if I put enough sidra dregs in this. Alright, this one's a little higher. It's like 1.0067. So not as low, but still pretty low. I'm actually going to switch this because I hate there's like a rubber stop smell. I sometimes get using rubber stops, and it has that a little bit. I don't think it's like the phenols necessarily, but it's very minor though. Let him sit for another maybe like week or 2 just to make sure everything's like really cleaned up on him, and then bottle it and taste it. So see you at the next step. So the one with regular Brett got pellicle, as you just saw. The other one with the bottle dregs of the sidra, no pellicle. So I'm gonna take a grab reading on both and see where I'm at. Alright, looks like I'm at 1.004. So temp corrected, that's 1.006, somewhere in that range. I think it's pretty stable. I'm gonna bottle it. Test the other one. The one with the bottle dregs of the sidra, 1.006 also. Bottle this one too. Done. Bottled. Okay, see you at the tasting. Welcome to the tasting. Here we are. Made it. I'm gonna go right to it. I'm just gonna dive right in. I'm not gonna blind these because I already know the difference on the taste a little bit. This one is with the Tanomyces 648. This was with the Sidra dregs. This one's a little darker, the Sidra one, a little oxidized looking. 648 one is earthy, some Brett funk, but minimal. It's not that aggressive actually. Really pleasant. Definitely getting some phenols in there. Definitely has that saison sort of smell, but definitely a little funk in there as well. Nice clean, dry finish. Really lovely actually. Not as Belgian-y and saison as which I like. It's more on the Brettford side, but again, the 648 didn't really wrench it up too much in the horse blanket department. I've had WLP 650 and 653, and those can get like really horse blankety. The 648 is nice. It's really minimal, really well balanced. Let's go for the Sidra dregs one. Now, this one I was a little concerned about because I really think I should have put 2 bottle dregs into it. I only put 1. I don't know if anything really got into this. The smell's definitely different. It's sweeter, like really honey, sweet sort of, like caramel, and like no Brett at all. I think this one's slightly oxidized, that's why it's a little darker too. I think this developing a pellicle saved it, where this didn't really, so I think, you know, I had the airlock in there, nothing really happened for 2 months. I don't know, maybe a little bit of oxygen got in, because it's a little bit off. Diacetyl maybe a little bit. Not really much going on in the taste. It's less saison-y than this, less phenols. If that makes any sense. Yeah, probably more diacetyl in the nose than anything. It's okay. It's not that great. I think an option 2 is, is throw a couple bottle dregs into it, or make a starter with it, and then use that and ferment with it with like at the same time maybe either the saison strain with that strain and let it sit for a couple months. But this one, however, I really like. I really enjoy. I like it better than this one for sure. But this is the second time I've tried to use Sidra dregs, and it's just I haven't got it quite there. The first time was a little more musty and kind of odd and weird. There was Brett in there a lot more though. This one, nothing really happened. So I'll try it again because I know it can be used. I'm sure it can be used. I hope it can be used. But I keep wanting to try it. So really fun experiment. Still a good beer out of it. Pretty different though on the taste and flavor and all that. And see you next time for more weirdness.